Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to get the gold trading with the non-farm employment change data is today in New York session. So let's see the forex expected 3rd of May. Today New York session in non-farm employment change data. How to trade with the NFP data. Let's see how the gold trade get with this data. So last Wednesday was released FOMC meetings that the 5.5 rate is the post the rating as the sixth time Federal Reserve. So we made massive profit from the gold trading with the FOMC meeting with the gold buy trade. And you can join with this Telegram link is below. Get the VIP access and get more profit with these economic events. So this is the technical picture is the 1 4 hour chart. This is the triangle. You can see the technically price is the about this is the trend line. You can see price reacted several times to this trend line and the above line and also in the support level in the downside. So technically this is the picture triangle pattern you can see. So downside breakout, that is the goal sell opportunity, and the breakout to the upside inside sets buy opportunity. So this is I am seeing that this is the technically I am seeing this I am that's the technical picture. I am going to sell fundamental economic data. Today's the most economic event. It's today's New York session. That's the non-farm employment change. That's the 303k is the previous figure. The Fed American Central Bank forecast to drop to 238. If not drop to 238, like above 250 or 300 above figure, that's the positive for US dollar. That's the I am expect gold drop to the positive NFP data above 300 or above 350 non-farm employment change data. That's the I am expect gold drop to the below sides. And also unemployment rate is the 3.8, and that will be dropped to the 3.7 3.6 like that. That is help also dollar demand and gold drop to the below side. That is the my one option analyze. That's the 2280 first level target with the positive non-farm employment change data. That's the my one picture fundamentally. That's the other side is the NFP data now drop to the below 238. That's the 220 200 like that dropped, and unemployment rate increased to 3.94% like that. That is the not positive for dollar and negative effect for dollar and dollar sell off and gold demand to the upside. That is my other fixture that you should touch with. Average hourly earnings also 0.3%, and the ISM services PMI also in the 51.4, and Fed expect to 52% increase. That also you should touch. That's the fundamentally analyze. So dollar demand and the gold dropped positive data, and the dollar sell off with the non-farm employment change data dropped to the below, and that's the negative seller dollar off and the gold demand. That's the my two option. You can join with my Telegram. Click with the accurate gold signals analysis. Is the money management is the key for trading. Thank you.